Let's dive into a brand new episode of camera-documented boat rage. These boat designs are absurd. With them, your only option is to move quickly. I desire one. For this reason, certain people shouldn't be boat owners. He did that as retaliation for what they had done earlier in the day to irritate him. She's quite lucky to have avoided injury. Brave young man dove into those choppy waters in an effort to save her. Without the aid of those wonderful jet skiers, things might have been worse. After he threw the rope, I bet the rescue team had to instruct him to tie it down rather than hold it until they reached the shore. Having elastic bones and being young with no obligations is the ideal moment. I went boating today, and I'll have back pain for the rest of my life. What I have to say is this. The instant I slowed down and let him pass, the issue was resolved because he had chosen to cross behind me.
Snappers in the water.
What the What the Why would
The youngest child's vest wasn't even fastened. Way to go, parents. Hurt your tailbones and spend hours at the chiropractor. That's today's strategy. The motor thrashing around before it fell off based on the way he kept looking back, or was he merely taking in the waves that he was creating? I adore how he continually scans behind to check whether the possible customers are still on the boat, as well as how incredible the cup holders are. They've never lost a drink. My father used to say, we need to balance the boat out before we start our voyage instead of huddling on different sides of the boat, because that's where danger awaits, every time we went on a boat excursion. Precise reasons why drinking and boating are never a good combination, whether you're driving or not. He then changed into a mermaid and led a contented life. That boat does not seem to be fairly pricey, however, that was a big hit. OMG, that looks really scary. To bring fish to us, these fishermen risk their lives. They deserve more respect. They jumped in time, or else they would have broken up into small bits. Captain must have mishandled the situation.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Oh my God!
Presumably going through a divorce, and his attorney informed him that she will probably receive the boat.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
If you own a boat, you should always take bumpers and a pole with you.
All over in that east side.
I hope you enjoyed the episode. Bye-bye.